Today, we'll be demonstrating the product setup for the Jet Horizontal Vertical Bandsaw. Be sure to reference your instruction manual for important safety instructions, unpacking tips, and cleanup prior to assembly. Once you have the tools required, you're ready to get started. And be sure that your bandsaw is disconnected from the power source during assembly. Install the handle with the flat washers and nut using a 19mm wrench. It's important to note that the spring tension stop bracket must be rotated out of the way before raising the bow. Install the work stop rod into hole and tighten knurled nut, and then install the work stop onto rod threads by rotating collar. Secure the position of work stop by tightening set screw onto the rod flat. Now we'll prepare the coolant tank. Using a water-soluble coolant will increase the cutting efficiency and prolong the life of your blade. Be sure to change the cutting oil often and do not use black cutting oil as a substitute. Pour the coolant into the hole through a strainer cup and fill the tank to approximately 80% of capacity. Make sure the coolant hose is properly connected at each end and that the return hose is connected to the drain hole and positioned in the strainer cup. If you have any questions, please consult your instruction manual, and don't forget that each jet tool comes with our Red Assurance Guarantee. If your jet tool needs service or repair, one of our 750 authorized service centers located in all 50 states can assist you. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.